Intro. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning: building a robust AI model deployment pipeline from development to production. Whether you are a data scientist, machine learning engineer, or software developer, understanding how to efficiently transition your AI models from the development stage to production is critical for success. In this video, we will cover the entire process step by step, explore common challenges, and provide best practices to ensure a smooth deployment. So, grab a notepad, and let's get started. Section 1: Understanding the AI Model Deployment Pipeline. Before we delve into the details, let's first clarify what we mean by an AI model deployment pipeline. This pipeline is a series of processes that enable you to take a machine learning model, which has been trained and validated, and deploy it into a production environment where it can be accessed by end users or integrated into applications. The deployment pipeline typically comprises several stages: development, testing, deployment, monitoring, and maintenance. Each stage plays a crucial role in ensuring that your model not only performs well during training but also delivers reliable results in a real-world setting. Section 2: Stage 1: Development. Let's kick things off with the development stage. In this phase, you will create your machine learning model. It begins with data collection and pre-processing. Gathering high-quality data is paramount. Make sure your dataset is relevant, diverse, and representative of the problem you're trying to solve. Once your data is collected, proceed to clean and pre-process it. This may involve handling missing values, normalizing data, and feature engineering to select the most impactful features. Next, you will select a machine learning algorithm suited for your problem. This could be anything from traditional algorithms like linear regression and decision trees to more complex models like neural networks. Don't forget to split your dataset into training and testing subsets to evaluate your model's performance accurately. Once you've trained your model, evaluate its performance using metrics that align with your business objectives. Common metrics include accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and ROCUC. Remember that the choice of metric depends on the specific use case. For example, in a binary classification task, accuracy might not be the best metric if the classes are imbalanced. After you've determined that your model meets your criteria, it's time to document your findings comprehensively. Good documentation will ease the transition to the next stages of the deployment pipeline and help your team understand the model's behavior and limitations. Section 3: Stage 2: Testing. Following development, the next phase is testing. Although testing might seem like a straightforward process, it requires a systematic approach. This phase involves not just evaluating the model's performance on the testing dataset but also ensuring it interacts well with other components in the larger system. You should perform unit tests on your model by inputting various test cases to gauge how it responds. This includes edge cases and scenarios that reflect real-world situations. Additionally, integration testing is crucial, especially if your model is part of a larger software application. You'll want to ensure that the model can effectively communicate with APIs, databases, and front-end interfaces. Another critical aspect of this stage is conducting load testing. You need to understand how your model behaves under high traffic conditions and ensure that it can handle the volume of requests you expect in production. Consider using tools like Apache JMeter for this purpose. Don't forget to create a rollback plan. In case something goes wrong during deployment, having a predefined rollback plan will save you time and prevent potential disruptions in service. Section 4: Stage 3: Deployment. Once your model has been tested thoroughly, it's time for deployment. This is the phase where your model goes live. There are various deployment strategies you can employ, including batch processing, real-time inference, and using a microservices architecture. Batch processing involves running your model on a set schedule, like daily or weekly, and is suitable for scenarios where immediate predictions are not required. On the other hand, real-time inference requires the model to provide instant predictions and is suited for applications like fraud detection and recommendation systems. Microservices architecture allows your model to run independently from the rest of your application. This means you can scale, update, or even replace your model without affecting other components, which is great for maintaining uptime and flexibility. When deploying, you can use popular platforms like AWS SageMaker, Google Cloud AI, or Azure Machine Learning, which provide robust services for model hosting and management. Don't forget to configure your model's resource allocation to ensure it performs optimally under expected loads. Section 5, Stage 4, Monitoring. With your model now live, monitoring becomes a crucial task. You are likely familiar with the term model drift, which occurs when the model's performance degrades over time due to changes in the data distribution or underlying patterns. To combat this, you need to implement monitoring tools to track your model's performance continuously. There are several metrics to monitor, including input feature distributions, prediction accuracy, and system performance metrics like latency and throughput. You can set up dashboards using tools like Grafana or Kibana to visualize these metrics effectively. Alerts are also vital. Set up notifications to inform you when performance deviates from expected thresholds. This will allow you to take action quickly, reducing downtime or malfunctioning predictions. Additionally, consider implementing A/B testing or canary releases during the monitoring phase. This means deploying a new model variant to a small subset of users while the old model remains active for the majority. This practice allows you to compare performance and user feedback before a full-scale rollout. Section 6, Stage 5, Maintenance. Finally, we arrive at the maintenance stage. Deploying your model is not a one-and-done activity, it requires continual oversight and updates. Regularly review your model's performance metrics and retrain it as needed when you notice signs of model drift or changes in data patterns. Establish a feedback loop with your end users to understand their experiences with the model. Incorporating their input can inform necessary updates and improvements. You might also want to keep an eye on industry trends and advancements in algorithms that could enhance your model's capabilities. As part of the maintenance phase, document any changes you make to the model or its underlying infrastructure. This documentation will be invaluable for future iterations and can help new team members get up to speed quickly. Section 7, Challenges and Best Practices. While we've outlined the stages of an AI deployment pipeline, it's essential to be aware of the challenges that can arise during this journey. One of the most common issues is the lack of collaboration between teams. Data scientists, software engineers, and DevOps must work together seamlessly for a successful deployment. Regular communication and setting clear roles and responsibilities can bridge this gap. Another challenge is data quality. Even if your model performs well in development, poor quality data in production can lead to failures. Invest time in ensuring that your data pipeline is robust, with sound data governance practices in place. Scalability is another concern. As your user base grows, your model must be able to scale accordingly. Designing your architecture to be scalable from the outset, using cloud services and containerization technologies like Docker can help you meet increasing demands. Lastly, ensure that you have strong security measures in place, especially if your model handles sensitive data. Implement encryption, adhere to compliance regulations, and regularly audit your systems to mitigate risks. Conclusion. In conclusion, building a robust AI model deployment pipeline requires careful planning and execution. From development to deployment, testing, and monitoring, each stage is interconnected and essential for delivering a high-quality, reliable AI solution. By following best practices and being aware of potential challenges, you can create a pipeline that not only meets your current needs but also adapts to future demands. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into AI and machine learning. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep innovating and building.